Hey, what's up guys, hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. And in this episode of Tips and Tricks, I'll show you how you can get full gesture navigations on your Android 10 based device. This is Nokia 6.1, what is true Android. By default, most probably your Android 10 based phone will have this kind of 2-button gestures over here. As you can see, if I go to some apps, and as you can see, we have 2 buttons for go home and another is for go back. But if you want to get full gesture navigation, this is going to be very better, because if you get full gesture navigation, you can swipe back, you can do a lot of fun things very easily. Yeah, that's it. Okay, you need to go to settings, and after going to settings, just scroll down, go for system, and after going to system, just click on this gesture written over here. As you can see, gesture, and from here you just need to click on this system navigations. As you can see, system navigations, click over here, and after that you need to click to gesture navigation, and it will take like 2 seconds. And as you can see, it's now on gesture navigation. That means I can just swipe to back, swipe to back. So it is so simple. As you can see, I can do swipe to back, and it gives me a whole lot of easy things, because I can use my phone with one hand without any kind of issues. If I'm in a website searching for something, I can just click on back button and it will do the back button thing, as you can see. And I can go to home, and after going to home, what I can do is I can open another apps like this, and I can go back to previous app, I can go to this app or that app, and that is what I can do very easily with this full gesture navigation, and it is so cool. Alright, that was it, how you can make your device feel better, faster, smoother with this full gesture navigation. And hopefully you guys really enjoyed the video and you guys got the idea how you can make your device full gesture navigation, and that's it.